Hi friends, my name is Krishna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss on illustration 11. Without wasting much time, let us get into the problem. Okay? Okay guys, let us get into illustration 11 now. Let me first read the problem. The bank column of cash book of Mukesh was balanced on 31st March 2019. So they have given the cash book balance of Mukesh as of 31st March 2019. It showed an overdraft of 5,000 rupees. So unfavorable balance. Overdraft balance was given as per cash book. This did not agree with the balance shown by bank statement of Mukesh. So the balance, whatever overdraft is showing as per cash book, is not matching with the passbook, it seems. You are required to prepare a bank reconciliation statement taking the following into account. That is what he's saying. Let us get into the differences, whatever they identified. First one, checks issued but not presented for payment till 31st March 2019, 12 lakhs. Very easy point. Checks deposited but not collected by bank till 31st March 2019, 20 lakhs. This is also very easy point. There is no new point here. Interest, interest on term loan, 10 lakhs debited by bank on 31st March 2019, but not accounted in Mukesh book. So interest on term loan debited in passbook, but not recorded in cash book. That is what is the meaning. Bank charges 2,500 was debited by bank during March 2019, but accounted in the books of Mukesh on 4th April 2019. What does it mean? Bank charges debited by bank in the month of March, but we did not record that amount before end of March. Why I am talking about before end of March? Because end of the March is the time where we started preparing the bank reconciliation. That is what he said, 31st March 2019. But this amount got accounted in Mukesh books on 4th April. So before 31st, it is not accounted in cash book. That is the meaning of it. An amount of 30,68,000 representing collection of Ramesh check was wrongly credited to the account of Mukesh by the bank in their bank statement. 30,68,000 representing collection of Ramesh check. Somebody like Mukesh, somebody by name Ramesh has an account with the bank. That check has been received by the bank for collection, and that check was wrongly credited to the account of Mukesh. This is not supposed to be credited to Mukesh account because Mukesh is not the right person. Ramesh is the right person, but it is incorrectly credited to Mukesh account. That is what he's saying. I don't see any very important points this illustration, but I wanted to complete all the illustrations as per the institute material. Hence I'm taking this problem. With this problem, bank reconciliation chapter will be completed, and we are going to get into inventories starting next video. Okay. So as we always follow, what we are supposed to do now, we take passbook and cash books. Cash book, passbook, debit, credit, debit, credit. Cash book debit side is receipt side, credit side is payment side. Passbook debit side is payment side, credit side is receipt side, as usual. What balance they have given in the problem? Bank column of cash book of Mukesh was balanced on 31st March 2019. It showed a overdraft balance of 5,000. So overdraft is payment side we have to show. Unfavorable balance will be shown in payment side because overdraft is a liability to the business. Business has to pay back this amount to the bank. Hence, it will be shown as liability, credit balance in cash book. Let us put the same amount in passbook as well, 5,000. Since we have taken as per cash book balance, question mark should come under passbook. Rule is very simple. If question mark balance is increased, you need to add. If the question mark balance is reduced, you need to subtract from the balance. That's all. So in the books of Mukesh, bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2019, that is the heading. And overdraft balance as per cash book 5,000 was given. So overdraft as per cash book 5,000 we have entered here. Now, checks issued but not presented for payment. Checks issued, we issued checks. So it has to be recorded in payment side. Checks issued 12 lakhs but not presented in the bank. So banker wouldn't have recorded. Now cash book balance got increased, but question mark balance is passbook. Passbook balance got reduced. Since the question mark balance is reduced, you need to subtract this amount. See here. Checks issued but not presented for the payment till 31st March 2019, 12 lakhs. Simple. Next, checks deposited but not collected by bank till 31st March 2019, 20 lakhs. Let me take out this first and then let us move on to the one. Checks deposited. We deposited the checks. So it is a receipt for us. Receipt side 20 lakhs. But not collected by the bank. Since it is not collected by the bank, it wouldn't have been recorded in the passbook. So one debit, one credit. So balance will get reduced. But here balance got increased. Question mark balance is increased. Since question mark balance got increased, you need to add this amount. Add side, checks deposited in bank but not collected and credited by the bank till 31st March 2019. Simple. Are you clear? Right. Next, let us remove this and go to the next point. Interest on term loan 10 lakhs debited by bank on 31st March 2019 but not accounted in Mukesh book. 10 lakhs debited in passbook by the bank. This is interest on term loan debited by the bank in our passbook. So balance got increased, but is not recorded in cash book. That is what he's saying. So my passbook balance got increased. Question mark balance is passbook. So question mark balance got increased. So you need to add this. So 10 lakhs I'm adding here. Interest on term loan not accounted in books 10 lakhs. Simple. Let us remove this. Next point. Bank charges 2,500. Bank charges 2,500 was debited by bank during March 2019 but accounted in the books of Mukesh on 4th April. This I already explained. Bank charges debited by the bank in the month of March. How much? 2,500. But this is not recorded in the cash book before 31st March. When it was recorded? It was recorded on 4th April. Since it was recorded on 4th April, which is beyond our reconciliation date, we should not consider that as recorded in our cash book. Getting my point? So balance got increased. Question mark balance got increased. Since question mark balance got increased, you need to add that 2,500. Are you getting my point? Add it. Now last point. An amount of 30,68,000 representing collection of Ramesh check was wrongly credited to the account. Mukesh account was created. 30,68,000. Let me remove this point first. This 2,500 point. Okay. So this is not pertaining to Mukesh at all, but they created. This balance got reduced. Question mark balance got reduced. Since question mark balance got reduced, you need to subtract. Subtracting. Erroneously created by bank to Mukesh account 30,68,000. That's all. Now our job is done. What we need to do, we just need to add and subtract the things. Okay. What we need to do now, we just go back to the statement. See here, 5,000 is the opening balance. These are the things to be added. 30 lakhs 2,500. When we add, it will come to 30 lakhs 7,500. This is the balance. Then 12 lakhs we need to reduce in this. Then 30 lakhs 68,000 we need to reduce. We got 12 lakhs 60,500. What is this balance? This is overdraft, OD balance. If it is OD balance and positive balance comes here, then this is also OD balance. If this is OD balance and here if you get negative balance, this will be a favorable balance. This I already explained in my previous video. If OD is here and here also I get positive balance, then this is a OD balance. If this is OD balance and here if I get a negative balance, then this is a favorable balance. So favorable balance 12,60,500. Balance as per the bank statement 12,60,500. That's all. That's all about the problem. Right? I hope you understand the concept. If you have any further doubts, please comment on this video. I will try to answer them. With this problem, we have completed our bank reconciliation chapter. And as I said, we are moving on to inventories problem, inventories chapter. Okay. Thank you so much.